Hey guys, welcome back to DelftStack, and today I will be showing you how to use fancy zones in PowerToys. So, to do this, first is you could just simply go ahead and make sure to download the Microsoft PowerToys into your desktop by going to the Microsoft Store and make sure to install it. Now, over here, you can just simply open up the application. Now, once you are here, you will have multiple options over here. And on the Utilities tab on the right side, you will have Fancy Zones. So make sure to select that. Or if you don't find it, it will be on the Windows and Layouts category and Fancy Zones. So make sure to turn this on. And now you will just simply open the Layout Editor. And from here, you will have multiple templates. So for example, I'm going to go ahead and go for the focus and create new layout down below. And of course, from here, just provide the name and provide the layout type. I'm going to go for canvas. And from here, you could just simply go ahead and select save. So pretty much over here, you will have multiple options that you could choose from, or multiple keyboard navigation. Now from here, you can configure the activation shortcut as well. And pretty much down below, you will have multiple filters that you could look around. And from here, pretty much over here, this will be based on your preferences. Of course, the most important thing is having the layout. So in order for you to do this, you would just simply hold the window that you are trying to go for the fancy zones. And after that, you could just simply tap on your keyboard shift. And as you can see, you will have the zones over here. So pretty much when I go ahead and select this one, as you can see, it will automatically be over here. So pretty much the more zones that you have when you hold on the shift while clicking a window, the more places it can go, as you can see over here. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.